You know, right below Nova-Skyez party, and under that is joinable. Under that is party is being streamed. Under that is include my audio with a checkbox right next to it. Right on that is invite to game. Everyone to game. As my name is.
Ah. What are we doing?
We're improving our butthole hair.
Wait.
I mean.
Wait. I'm not holding you. Not while I'm streaming, bro.
I'm going to stables and I'm gonna be
I'm an IQ man.
Next thing you, bro. Oh hey.
You were doing what?
I can see your bullshit in 4K. If you couldn't hear me last time, I don't. It's like, it sucks to say the same joke. Like, I'm slowly going insane. Shut the fuck up. No, they took my rook. Fuck. I'm sorry, bro. Oh, I've totally done it. Yeah.
I just realized what you were pissed at yourself for. You're good.
Really?
I'm so fucking high, bro.
You took so long.
Oh, God. Fuck!
So I got 5 kills. I loaded in like 3 and 1, and the enemies were 3, and yeah, it was not looking good. I got 5 kills, which was good for me. Eat up, children. Come here. But yeah, didn't some guy messaged me like, imagine being 5, only having 5 kills for what? Losing? Like, like I'm just better. I said, okay, well. I sent him 5 fucking pictures of what guns I was using. And I'm so sorry.
I swear to God, if I turn around, my teammates are shooting each other. I'm killing everybody.
Op 4 has located a bomb. Ready for hostile action. Loading new magazine.
Thank you, guys.
Are they trying to come from upstairs?
Oh yes, I am. Yeah, she is bottom floor. That room right there. Which there's a frag. She's coming around.
Which way around?
I heard her breaking that way. Yep, she's up on the stairs. Careful. Coming around? No, that's a duck.
Got her.
Nice shit.
I'm a fucking thumper of a man. What do you mean? Be soft.
Oh, I think Aruni came before that because. No.
Fuse looking a little sus there, my guy.
Yeah, Fuse was after Aruni. Put one right here. Get the one all the way over here.
Rooney is just female Fuse. From Apex.
Oh. You know what? I don't disagree with that.
Didn't they come out around the same time, too?
Kinda, yeah.
That look a little awkward there. Ooh.
He scared the shit out of me.
Got him. Oh, they shot a teammate.
Go beer. Go beer now. Oh yeah. Go beer now.
Go beer.
Go beer. Yeah. Go beer.
Go beer.
Op 4 has located a bomb.
Not yet. Damn it. Ah! There is a dude there, man.
You stupid fuck.
And no, I did not hit him.
Oh, I almost got his ass.
Is that Doc?
The diffuser.
Dude, he's gonna leave you to die. Oh my god, he's proven his son fourth. Did you just try to knife him?
What?
Down to one friendly.
What the fuck? What was that about? I'm choking. I have 20 health and I'm going against a bunch of people. I'm going against a bunch of people. I'm choking. What the fuck? This. I am not going to be doing well if I couldn't fucking... I'm going against fucking, what, 3 people and I'm...
by a fucking clicker. You got clicked twice. What the fuck?
I have a shotgun. What do you expect me to do? Suck their dick?
That was not a shotgun, that was a fucking sniper rifle. A DMR, not at most.
I'm going against them. Fuck. The guy who I was going against had a shotgun.
I think my personality's trying to get out.
In there.
Oh, who the fuck Warden? Hi!
Why?
Come on, Nomad.
Oh, let's go!
Yo! Oh my god! Oh! That was a clutch!
Oh god.
Alright, I got this.
4v1 clutch. Oh my god.
We just... Holy shit, bro! Motherfucker going big!
Bigger than big. Bigger than this cop.
Praise to this dude find his social media and shit.
Find him and
Let
suck his
whoever
cock
wants
now.
that to be that.
Hey Nova.
Yes.
In D&D, for everyone, I'm putting them above the, all of them against a one boss.
Sherman won't be able to really join.
Oh, fuck. I might have to wait for Sherman because he has
He's got work.
Oh.
That's the problem.
rifle with him. And yeah, work. When does he get off? Or when's the day he
I
get
have
off?
no idea.
Should have asked him that, man.
It should be at most a month.
I know he invited me to a party not too long ago. Like a few days ago.
Yeah, he has a couple of moments to spare, yeah.
Secure the area.
Nova?
Yes?
I forgot, next game we'll do that friendly rook and dock thing. We gotta remember, next round, it's a friendly rook and dock.
Camera in position.
10 seconds to insertion. 5 seconds left. Op 4 has located a bomb.
I'm gonna overheal you because I can.
Are they trying to come in from the back?
There's a teammate I need to heal. Teammate, come here. No, no!
Yes.
Come here. I want to heal you. I want to give you a boost.
It's a fucking Twitch again. I don't want to deal with it. Never myself. That looks a little bad.
Are they second floor? Yeah, they're second floor.
Oh, he left. Why did they leave?
I don't know. Nova, I need you with me so I don't... Make sure you don't die.
They're behind me? Got one. Got knock.
10 seconds left. 5 seconds.
Oh, shit! No!
What?
All friendlies were eliminated.
Oh, I fucking hate that. I had so much fucking hope. It was fucking Dickbeard.
Of course it was Dickbeard. Why wouldn't it be Dickbeard?
Dude, I was doing so good. So it wasn't knock that I got. It was Psy. Or whatever the fucking bearded boy to the left was.
0.
Dude, that was so fucking close.
I know, it fucking sucks, bro.